G'day! This here is a follow-up video regarding my RG35XX teardown and no luck reviving video. So that one I had a bit of a tinker with. It was left in a drawer, didn't start. You can check out that video, I'll leave a link. But I took one of the advices, or some advice, from one of my commenters. So here we have CC Danny2 from 10 days ago. Did you manage to fix it? The micro SD card has to be in slot 1 and it has to have an OS installed. So that got me thinking. I haven't actually connected up my SD card to see if it is still fine, but I did notice that the games would start freezing every now and then a while ago. Do note I am running Garlic OS, which is a slightly different firmware, but I thought, why wouldn't it charge even without an SD card in there? It should still charge, it should still try to power, but go nowhere. I should still get a charge light. But what I did was I grabbed another 32 gig SD card that I had floating around. I just had a quick flash of Garlic OS on there and then stuck it on charge, and as soon as I stuck it on charge, I got a charge light. Might not be able to capture that on camera. There we go. I think you can kind of see it now. This light here. Oh, this one here, this one here. And it's acknowledging charge. Unplug, plug back in, turns green, unplug, back to white. So I suspect that my SD card is either corrupted to the point that the OS is not working. I hope the game saves are still good on there. I will be switching to probably a dual SD card situation. One with the OS on it, one with the ROMs and the game saves over here. But right now, it lives again, which leaves me quite kerfuffled as to how and why you need the OS installed for it to accept charge, or at least to tell you that it's charging. I don't know why, but that is some wicked news. So if you have a dead RG35 or 35XX, possibly any of the ANBERNIC consoles, if your SD card's dead, you may have what seems to be a dead or faulty device. So I'm pretty darn happy and very thankful for that commenter. Thanks CC Danny2. You've got it going. I'm one happy kid. Bye.